To inspect the track and adjust the track tension on your 850 Titan Adventure Ultimate, follow these steps. Begin by safely elevating the snowmobile so that the rear track is off the ground. Refer to your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Then, put the sled transmission in neutral. Next, rotate the track by hand to check for damage. Carefully examine the track along the entire length of each rod. Bend the track to ensure there is no breakage. Replace the track if any rod damage is found. If inspection reveals any concerns, see your authorized Polaris service center. Now, inspect the track tension, but first, ensure the track is warmed up and limber. Next, measure 16 inches ahead of the rear idler shaft bolt on the track. Then, apply 10 pounds of weight on the track and measure the slack between the track and the rails. Compare the observed slack measurement to specification. If the track requires adjustment, begin by loosening the rear idler shaft bolt, but do not remove. Then, loosen the adjuster lock nuts on both sides of the track. Tighten or loosen the track adjusting screws to provide equal adjustment on both sides of the track. Repeat the measurement on the other side of the track. Check more frequently when the snowmobile is new. Before continuing, ensure the transmission is in forward gear. Next, start the engine and apply a small amount of throttle until the track starts to slowly rotate at least 5 revolutions. Then, allow the track to come to a stop without applying the brakes. Now, check the track alignment and adjust as necessary. If the track runs to the left, loosen both idler shaft bolts and the left jam nut, and then tighten the left track adjuster bolt. If the track runs to the right, loosen both idler shaft bolts and the right jam nut, and then tighten the right track adjuster bolt. After adjusting, tighten the lock nuts until fully seated. Then, torque the idler shaft bolt to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.